Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling content blockers so Safari can use an ad blocking app. First, install a reputable blocker from the App Store and sign in if required. Then open Settings, scroll to Safari, and toggle content blockers on. This gives Safari permission. Once done, open Safari's Extensions or Content Blockers menu to confirm the app appears and is enabled. Make sure you grant any in-app permissions the extension asks for, because Safari won't block ads without that system-level permission. Next, configure the blocker's options to match your needs. Open the blocker app and choose a filter profile. Aggressive blocks more ads but can break site layout. Balanced is safer. Enable tracker and malware lists and turn on HTTPS filtering if the app offers it so encrypted ads are handled. Use element or cosmetic blocking to remove persistent banners. Once configured, return to Safari and refresh sites to let new rules apply. Make small adjustments if a page appears broken. Finish by testing across a few websites to confirm ads are gone. If blocking seems ineffective, clear Safari's cache and reload pages. Sometimes old resources persist. If pages break, temporarily disable specific filters or other extensions to find conflicts, then reduce aggressiveness or whitelist the site. If problems persist, update the ad blocker and iOS, since compatibility fixes often arrive in updates, and contact the blocker's support for diagnostic steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.